Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cutest doctor outfit in Dress to Impress. So if you want to serve a hospital chic while slaying the runway in DTI, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create the cutest doctor outfit complete with the scrubs, the perfect accessories, and pro level pose tips. So what you need to do here, okay, so first for the hair, this is optional. You can also don't use any hair if you want to, and then just go to the closet in here and use this pants and change the color to like a surgeon coat or outfit. This colors right here, you can go with this coats in here, change the color all of it to that. You can also use this color for the okay, and now you can go find this biker short and use the same color as the pants like this. And for the tops, I'm going to use this long tops at here, change the color to be the same like this. And for the shoe, I'm going to use this shoes in here, and then we're going to add socks, but I'm going to change the color into all black, so it will become like this. And next, let's add some accessory. You can find the the cap first to go cover the hair. I'm going to use this one and use the same color like this, and then you can use this mask and change the color to the same as the mask letter. This one, I'm going to change it into this one and toggle it into number 3. Next, put on this mask. Okay, so it will become like this, and change the color so it's the same. And next, you can add the glove. Okay, let's choose the knife first. So this is like the knife for surgery, I think. Okay, you can act like that and put on the glove and toggle it into short with no fur. So now it's done. So this is the doctor outfit that you can use for the doctor theme in DTI. So it's time to treat your look with the prescriptions of fears. If you like this, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.